Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Simplified Lab. This is the episode 3 of our series, Microservices Made Simple. Today's we'll tackle a crucial topic for those who want to transition to microservices, how to split a monolith. So if you've been wondering how to break apart an existing monolithic system without disrupting everything, this episode is for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. So now let's get into it. In this episode, we'll discuss why splitting a monolith is important, especially for scaling and flexibility. We'll also cover incremental migration strategies that minimize risk and disruption and explore some key patterns for safely transitioning to microservices. So let's start with the basics. A monolith is a system where all functionalities is deployed as a single unit. It typically includes the user interface, business logic, and database all tightly coupled together. While this design can work with smaller systems, it often becomes a bottleneck as the system grows. As systems grow, monolith can present significant challenges. Scaling becomes harder because you're scaling the entire system, not just parts of it. Development cycle slows down as teams have to coordinate changes across the entire application. Failure in one part of the system can impact everything. And finally, adopting new technologies become difficult because everything is so tightly coupled. Moving from a monolith to microservices doesn't have to be a big bang effort. So start with clear goals. What are we trying to achieve by splitting the monolith? Next, identify the most critical components or areas causing the most pain, and then focus on those first. Migrate one feature or module at a time, and always validate your changes with comprehensive testing before moving to production. And here are some proven patterns to help you split a monolith. The Strangler Fig patterns involves gradually replacing part of the monolith with microservices. Feature toggles let you run new feature in parallel with the existing ones so you can safely switch over when ready. With a parallel run, you test the microservices alongside the monolith to ensure functionality remain intact. And lastly, database decomposition allows you to split the database gradually, reducing the risk of data inconsistencies. Splitting a monolith isn't without risks. Premature decomposition, which means that don't break apart a system just because it's trendy. Always have a clear migration plan to avoid chaos. Be mindful of overcoupling between your new services as these defeats the purpose of microservices. And finally, don't neglect monitoring and testing. They are essential to ensuring a smooth transition. To summarize, while monoliths can be efficient for small systems, they often become bottlenecks as systems grow. Splitting a monolith requires careful planning and incremental migration. Patterns like Strangler Fig and feature toggles can make the process smoother, and avoiding common pitfalls will save you a lot of headaches. In the next episode, we'll explore how microservices communicate with each other. We'll cover communication styles like synchronous, asynchronous, and event-driven. So subscribe to Tech Simplified Lab and turn on the notifications so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Simplified Lab. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.